Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the sweet and savory art of Japanese Tamagoyaki. I'll show you what makes this rolled omelet so special and how you can start making it at home. Let's begin. Have you ever noticed the bright yellow, perfectly rectangular sliced eggs in a bento box or atop a piece of nigiri? This beautiful dish is known as Tamagoyaki, a staple of Japanese home cooking that translates literally to fried egg. While it might look like a simple omelet, it offers a unique texture and flavor that sets it apart from Western breakfast styles. Each slice reveals delicate, thin layers of egg rolled tightly together to create a custard-like consistency. It's both sweet and savory, making it a favorite for children and adults alike. Whether you're packing a lunch for work or dining at a high-end sushi bar, this rolled omelet provides a satisfying bite. Let's look at why this dish is so iconic and how you can master the rolling technique in your own kitchen. What makes Tamagoyaki different from a standard omelet? When you think of a standard omelet, you likely imagine a fluffy, buttery circle folded over cheese or vegetables. Tamagoyaki follows a completely different philosophy. Instead of being airy and singular, it's dense, moist, and built through repetitive layering. The flavor profile is the most striking difference. Most versions include dashi, Japanese soup stock, soy sauce, and sugar. This combination creates a complex umami taste that balances the sweetness of the sugar with the saltiness of the soy. The texture is also a major departure from what many people expect. By pouring thin layers of egg and rolling them while they're still slightly undercooked, you create a cohesive block. This process prevents the egg from becoming rubbery. Because the layers are so thin, the final product feels almost like a savory cake or a firm custard. It's designed to be eaten at room temperature or even cold, which is why it's so popular in bento boxes. In contrast, a French omelette usually needs to be served immediately while the center is still runny. Tamagoyaki holds its shape perfectly, allowing for clean, beautiful slices that showcase the internal spiral of yellow layers. The role of the Makiyaki square pan. You might wonder how chefs get that perfect brick shape every single time. The secret lies in a specialized tool called a Makiyaki. This is a rectangular or square frying pan made specifically for rolling eggs. The straight edges and flat bottom allow the liquid egg to spread evenly into the corners. When you start rolling the egg from one end to the other, the pan's shape ensures the width stays consistent. If you don't have one of these pans, you don't need to run to the store just yet. You can still make this dish in a standard round non-stick skillet. Simply pour the egg in the center and fold the sides inward to create a rectangular strip before you start rolling. It takes a bit more practice to keep the edges neat, but the taste remains exactly the same. The square pan is mostly about convenience and achieving that professional, uniform look. That wraps up part 1. Now you understand the basics and what makes Tamagoyaki unique. In part 2, we'll go step by step through the rolling technique so you can master it yourself. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.